it's Tim from Earl's Handyman. Today I'm working on part 4 of my rocking chair restoration. As you can see, I'm taking my jigsaw and I'm cutting out a new heart because they didn't like the rounded off heart, so I decided to redraw the heart, and now I'm cutting it out the jigsaw. I decided to take a sanding sponge and just clean up some of the edges and inside. Next, I'm working on the rockers more, trying to clean up some of the stain and get them all evened up. I'm getting the fabric, laying it all out for the cushion and my board, measuring it all out, make sure it's all even on every side. Decide to iron it. Always make sure you're setting your iron to the proper fabric that you're using. It's all set. Here I am ironing. Get there. I started cutting the fabric. I did make one attempt with cutting fabric and putting a new cushion on, but it just didn't work the first time, so I decided to give it another go. So here I am measuring and cutting once again. Getting it all lined up. It's nice and evenly spaced. Cutting it out again, and then the cushion I'll fold it over and staple down. Looking nice and neat, especially after my first attempt I made. And there's my cushion. Lastly, I'm just drilling some holes in the rockers just to make sure they're lined up more centered. I feel like originally it wasn't lined up centered, but today's video.